What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gill coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 1 times Travis Scott times Fragment highs. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is a shoe that I actually really wanted. I'm kind of sad I sold the original Fragments I had. I spent like $1,600 on them back in the day, and then I ended up selling for like $3,300. Now they're like $4K. It was easier to get these than it is actual Fragments. Let me pull them out for you guys though, so you guys can see the shoe. I know most people have seen it. I kind of got it on a little late. Still better than never, of course. And these are super dope in my opinion. I don't know what laces I would rock. I just left the black ones in it. I haven't rocked them yet, and they were worn like once or twice. They definitely need a little cleanup. I just been kind of lazy. I also have the lows as well. Kind of deciding what I'd rather have. These I wear a lot. Not gonna lie to you, as you guys can see, even with the crease shield. I may have to iron these again and try to bring that back. I really wish that they would put the wax laces with the highs. I think that would look so much better. And I'm thinking about taking my black laces from my lows and putting it in the highs. I haven't fully decided yet. It is kind of different. I'm looking at the differences. I didn't notice the tongue. The tongue is a different color on the lows. And of course the swoosh. Let me know what you guys like better. I'm gonna end up putting this one down because I'm not juggling it. But let me know, would you guys rather the lows or the highs? We're gonna go over the left shoe first. As you guys can see, you're gonna have the black swoosh. Of course, you have a pretty much all white leather, except for the back. You know, you have the blue. And the nice wings logo. One thing that's kind of different to me, and I didn't realize, is the difference in the logo. I personally am more of a fan of the mochas. I like that they kept it kind of original with the logo, whereas this one is like more bubbled out. And I never got this, why you could kind of Velcro this and unvelcro it. I'm not a big fan of it. I think they could have done without. But I do like the back. I think that looks super cool on both of them, of course. Let's get into some more details. You're gonna have, of course, the little Travis Scott emblem on this side. And then you're gonna have little writing right here. Kind of reminds you a little off-white, but that's still pretty dope. And then you're gonna have also a blue toe box. So it is a mainly white leather. I know a lot of people didn't like this all white. They thought it was too much, maybe add more blue. But I think it looks super dope, and I think it's something really cool to add to the collection. You're gonna have a white and blue tag on top. On the inside is nothing special either. It just says Nike Air, just on the insoles. And then also on this tongue, you're gonna have the Fragment design on this side. If I can get it out and show you guys. I'm sure most people have seen it. This is just my used cop that I got. Looking more into it, you're gonna have the blue bottoms. This leather doesn't feel super high quality, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I definitely have had better leather in other shoes, but it's still something like really cool. I mean, it's a Jordan times Travis Scott and a Fragment collab all in one. Kind of can't beat that. Let me see, get that other one out, show you guys that. There's really no differences. Only thing that's different is the back. You're gonna have the Fragment logo on it, which still looks super sick. I kind of wish they would have just put both Fragment logos, because you already know it's a Travis Scott. So I think that would have looked better just on both of them. Now also, I don't know how I feel about the placement on the back versus having it on the side. I think the side looked a little better, but I think this makes it pop a little more. And it kind of reminds me of the Fragment samples that they did, the way they embossed that logo. And so I still wish they would have switched up this wings logo. I think that if they would have kept the OG, would have looked better. I'm not a big fan of the bubble. And let me know what you guys think of this shoe. I know they never had a real official release, like a worldwide. All they did was drop it on Travis Scott's website, and I think a couple stores got them. I know they're extremely hard. I think this is a shoe that's going to keep going up in value. So right now, I think is the time. Because when they first dropped, they were like $4,000. And then I was just waiting a little bit and ended up being able to get them for like $1,300 cheaper. And I think that's kind of the route I like to go. It would have been nice to have been able to, you know, get this day one for you guys, but I got to think smarter. You know, I can't just sit there and cop them, spend $4K, and then, you know, they drop a couple weeks later to 3,000. So this was a really nice pickup in my opinion. Stick around at the end if you guys want to see a try on. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, would you guys rather the lows or would you rather the highs? Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I try to post a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I also do, of course, you know, Heat shoes, and try to get you guys some more unboxings. Let me know how you guys like those, and just let me know really what you guys think of the channel. I really started this just because I had a lot of interest in Nike Lab, and then I knew everyone does shoes, so I wasn't really doing it for that. But I just wanted to bring you guys videos on like sizing and fit on a lot of clothes that I was never able to find, and then just bring like an awareness of Nike Lab stuff that people don't even really know exists. So hope you guys really enjoyed, like I said, and I appreciate you guys watching. I'm out.
Laugh,